welcome back to another video with Indigo Math. Today I'm going to show you how to use the rules of logarithms in a complicated looking log question. Let's start. So you see here in part A, it says to find the solution to this chunky looking equation here, and it says to express your answer in terms of ln 3. So that means that our final answer, we cannot really use our calculator to work it out and leave it to 3SF. We need to see literally the ln 3 there. So I'm going to show you how to attempt this question. It says ln 3 to the power of 5x plus 1 equals to ln 9. 9, I need to be extra sensitive to this 9 and realize that actually the 9 can be expressed in terms of base 3. So it'll be a 3 square x plus 5. Why do we do that? So that we can eventually combine the like terms together. Because I notice I've got a ln 3 here and ln 3, so it's a big hint for me to try to express the 9 in terms of 3 so that I can combine them eventually. Plus log 2, again we see this 16 here. 16 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 4, so I'm going to do that here as well. So instead of writing 16, I'll write 2 to the power of 4 times 1 minus 2x. You see, the trick is whenever we do logarithm questions, we always try to express bigger numbers in terms of their prime factors so that we can eventually use the rules of logarithms as well. That's always a trick. So if you're not very sure what to do, try that method first and maybe we can make complicated questions look a bit simpler. So I'm going to continue now. Using the rules of logarithms, these powers can actually be brought down, right? So I'm going to do that as well. This one, I'm going to bring it down. To continue with it, I would have 5x plus 1 times ln 3 equals to, I'm going to do a rainbow expansion here first. It'll be 2x plus 10 with the ln 3 plus, same thing here, rainbow expansion, you get 4 minus 8x and log base 2, 2. Do you realize this thing here? Log base 2 to the 2, when the argument is 2, when these two numbers are the same, you realize it's just 1, right? So I'm going to continue to simplify everything. And in the next step here, you realize you can also bring this over and group the terms together. So that means I would have 5x plus 1 times ln 3 minus 2x plus 10 times ln 3 equals to 4 minus 8x. Remember, ln base 2 to 2, it's just 1, so I'm not going to write that down anymore. Continuing, I see that ln 3 and ln 3, they common here, so I'm going to factorize. Ln 3, so I'm left with 5x plus 1 minus away the 2x plus 10 equals to a 4 minus 8x. Now, you see your goal of the question is to express your answer in terms of ln 3, which means we need to make x subject of the formula. So I'm going to continue with that here. Putting everything together, so I will simplify this portion here first. What we get is 3x ln 3 minus away a 9 ln 3 equals 4 minus 8x. So remember, our goal is to solve for x, right? So I'm going to group all the x terms together. I have x with a 3 ln 3. This one, I would also shift it over to the other side because remember, our goal is to make x subject of formula. Plus 8 equals to 4 plus 9 ln 3. So eventually, if I want to make x subject of formula, I need to divide this over and have x equals to 4 plus 9 ln 3 over 3 ln 3 plus 8. And there we have it.